Hi, welcome again. This is Lorena, and today I'll show you how to add students to your classes by using the CSV or spreadsheet option. Let's get started. First, we'll go to the teacher's panel right here. We'll click on class management. We'll choose the class that we want to work with, and we'll click on add view students. Clicking on this option will take us to these two options. We'll choose the CSV add. We'll click on this and we'll go from here. First, in order to do so, we have to create a spreadsheet that has the three following categories: first name, last name, and user ID. There is a template right here. If you click on this option, you will be taken to a spreadsheet with a template with the categories that you will be using for this option. And you can just modify it, add your student's name on it, and you're good to go. First, then we'll click on step 2. Right here, you'll have to choose the file with your student's name on them. If your file includes the first, last name, and user ID categories at the top as the title of each category, we'll have to check this box. Mine does include it, so I'll check it. And then we have to make sure that the order in which the categories appear is the same. If we listed first, the first name is okay, last name is second, user ID is third, we are good to go. If we need to alter the order, we can do it right here. And then we have to choose the file. Also make sure that it is one name per column, all right? So we'll click on choose name. We'll click on the Teams 1 spreadsheet. We'll have the option right here. It says CSV. We have already added that. We click to step 3. We'll be able to see here the list of our students along with your user ID. If you leave this category empty, that's okay. The system will automatically create a user ID for our students. When we are done reviewing our list and if everything looks good, we'll click on finalize. And then we'll see that it says here that the 6 students have been successfully created. So we'll refresh our students list and we'll be able to see them all right here. If we want to know their user ID, we'll click on ID cards and we'll have a page here that has all of our students' information, name, class ID, user ID, title. We can give this information to each of our students so they can use it to log in. Or if we are also planning to email our students, we already have here a pre-formatted email that we can just copy and paste and email it to your students. It also includes their login information. Well, that was an overview of how we can add our students using this option, the CSV or spreadsheet option. If you do have any questions, please send us an email at efl@ourstoryscape.com and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video.